We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English. In British English, more often than not, this is pronounced as associate. You do want to stress on the second syllable, associate. In American English, this is generally said as associate, associate. It is not always a British versus American English pronunciation divide, but more often than not in British English, associate versus associate in American English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.